Hi, I'm Sean Webb. We're here in our demo and training facility in Marietta, Georgia to see the Everest. The Everest utilizes fan-fold corrugate through the machine, which can produce unlimited size boxes from the smallest to the largest. The Everest provides a throughput capability of 1,100 per hour. The Everest begins at the induction area. Placing the items, single or multi-items, into the induction, simply press the button and it begins to index the products through the system. The items go through a 3D curtain where it captures the dimensions of both length, width, and height. It's then moved and indexed throughout the machine. The merged conveyors align it so it's lined up straight, automatically cutting, increasing the corrugate as it moves through, which utilizes hot melt glue to keep the items in place. It then turns the corner and the appropriate lid is applied and sealed onto the box. From there, the weight is captured, and afterwards, the final label is applied to the box. As you can see, the Everest removes the excess volume, allowing your items to be packed without void fill. Our solution provides a number of benefits to our customers, including labor, transportation, and material savings. Come check out our automated packaging solution.